Whether you're a new or returning student at Bucks, you can get registered for your classes in a few simple steps. Once you have your courses approved by your advisor, go to bucks.edu and click on Bucks for Students. Then, click on the Student Planning button. Once you log into self-service, select Student Planning. Click on Go to Plan and Schedule. Use the arrows to locate the semester you want to register for classes in. Then, enter the course you want to register for in the search box. Filter your search by selecting which semester you want to register for the course in. Once you've found the course, click on View Available Sections. Find the course section you want and click Add Section to Schedule. You will now see your course and section planned. Click Back to Plan and Schedule to search for additional courses to add or to complete your registration. Remember, if you're a degree-seeking student, you must have advisor approval, green thumbs up, prior to completing registration. Once you have all of your courses added and approved, click on the blue Register button. Next, confirm your registration to ensure that you secure your course selection. Agree and accept the terms and conditions of your registration here. Select and complete your payment method and click Continue. Your registration is now complete. Click Return to Schedule to see your finalized course selection.